manifest Quran, one of its hundreds uniqueness, that wherever is such a place where a risk is involved, it will always hold your hand and it will protect your mind to go on wrong side. It has given theological clarities wherever the rank of Holy Prophet ﷺ comes, rank of Holy Prophet. Manifest Quran always keeps and protects your faith and aqidah. Like وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى. So every translation you will see that he found you misguided. He found you on wrong path. He found you on this and that, and he guided you towards right path. You will find this. But the Manifest Quran says, Alam Yajidka, did he not find you an orphan and sheltered you with a graceful position? He found you lost in his love and guided you to your destination. He found you in need of his support and enriched you with his abundant favors. So wherever the matter of Aqidah comes, this translation always protects you. Legal implications are resolved through this translation. Scientific accuracy is available everywhere in the translation, and there are many other aspects, inshallah, you will find when you recite it regularly. I wish that every single person should have his own copy. Not only one copy for the whole family. Every single person has his own copy.